Okay, let's see what we have here. This just came from Amazon. Rip this baby open. Do a proper unboxing. What is it? Oh, snap. How about that? This ought to make the flight more enjoyable. What do we have here? Let's see. Okay. Okay, here we go. Da da da. Da 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 da. Whoop whoop. They're not Bluetooth. They're wired to take advantage of the new Apple lossless music library. So these look pretty good. Okay, you can see that they're corded because the new lossless file system doesn't work over wireless connections. So I can plug these into my phone and then listen to lossless audio. Goes like that and like that. And then I have an adapter that's a lightning to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Plug this in there, put these on with my phone, and I'll be rocking and rolling. Oh yeah, they're comfortable. Well, and they isolate the noise pretty good too. Okay.